Clean, clutter-free kitchen doesn't just look beautiful, it also feels more comfortable, easier to use, and far more relaxing to spend time in. Whether you enjoy cooking daily or use the kitchen mainly for simple meals, an organized space can completely change the way you experience it. A tidy kitchen isn't achieved overnight. It comes from consistent habits, thoughtful storage choices, and a design approach that prioritizes simplicity and function. Below are practical steps and ideas that help you create a kitchen that stays neat, calm, and effortlessly organized. Start by reducing what you don't need. The foundation of a clutter-free kitchen is owning fewer unnecessary items. Over time, kitchens tend to collect duplicate utensils, unused appliances, and old containers that only take up valuable space. The first step toward a cleaner environment is decluttering with intention. Take everything out from drawers, cabinets, and shelves, then assess each item honestly. Ask yourself, do I use this regularly? Does it still work properly? If the answer is no, consider donating, recycling, or discarding it. Keeping only the essentials makes storage simpler and prevents visual chaos. Minimalism in the kitchen isn't about restriction. It's about removing distractions so the space works better for daily life. Create clear zones for every activity. A tidy kitchen becomes easier to maintain when everything has a defined place and purpose. Instead of storing items randomly, group them based on how and where they are used. For example, keep cooking utensils near the stove. Store plates and bowls close to the dining or serving area. Place cutting boards and knives near the preparation counter. Keep cleaning supplies under the sink or in one specific cabinet. This zoning method reduces unnecessary movement and helps prevent clutter from spreading. When every item has a logical home, it becomes natural to return things to where they belong after use. Maximize storage with smart organization solutions. Even small kitchens can feel spacious when storage is designed intelligently. Rather than adding more cabinets, focus on using existing space more efficiently. Helpful storage strategies include pull-out drawers instead of deep fixed shelves, vertical storage that extends up to the ceiling, drawer dividers for cutlery and tools, corner racks or rotating shelves, clear containers for dry ingredients. Transparent jars and labeled containers not only look neat, but also make it easier to find what you need quickly. This prevents duplicates and helps maintain order over time. A clutter-free kitchen is not just about hiding items. It's about storing them in a way that remains practical and visually calm. Keep countertops as clear as possible. Countertops are the area where clutter appears most easily. When too many items sit on the surface, the kitchen instantly feels crowded, even if the rest of the room is organized. Keeping countertops clear is one of the most effective ways to achieve a clean, minimalist look. Only leave out items you use every day, such as a kettle, coffee maker, or fruit bowl. Everything else should be stored inside cabinets or drawers when not in use. This approach creates visual openness and gives you more working space for cooking and food preparation. A simple, open countertop naturally makes the kitchen feel larger, brighter, and more orderly. Adopt daily cleaning and reset habits. A clutter-free kitchen is maintained through small, consistent routines rather than occasional deep cleaning. Building daily habits keeps mess from accumulating and makes tidying feel effortless. Helpful habits include washing or rinsing dishes immediately after use, wiping countertops after cooking, putting items back in their designated place, emptying the trash regularly, doing a quick night reset before bed. These short tasks take only minutes, but have a big impact on how clean the kitchen looks and feels. When tidying becomes part of your routine, clutter has less chance to pile up. Choose simple, easy-to-maintain design elements. Design choices also influence how organized a kitchen appears. Minimalist finishes, clean lines, and neutral color tones naturally support a tidy atmosphere. Smooth cabinet doors, simple hardware, and unified materials help reduce visual noise. Open shelves can look beautiful, but they require careful arrangement. If you choose to use them, keep the number of displayed items small and cohesive, such as matching dishes or neatly arranged jars. For most storage, closed cabinets are more practical for maintaining a clean look. Lighting also plays an important role. Bright, even lighting highlights cleanliness and helps you notice dirt or clutter before it builds up. Practice one in, one out to prevent future clutter. A clean kitchen doesn't stay clutter-free by accident. It requires mindful decisions going forward. One effective habit is the one in, one out rule. Whenever you bring in a new kitchen item, remove another one that you no longer use. This prevents cabinets from filling up again and encourages thoughtful purchasing. Instead of buying tools or appliances impulsively, you begin to ask whether they truly add value to your space. Owning fewer, better quality items leads to a calmer, more intentional environment. Add subtle decor without overcrowding the space. A clutter-free kitchen doesn't have to feel empty or cold. The key is choosing decoration that enhances the space without overwhelming it. A small plant, a simple wall frame, or neatly arranged ceramics can add warmth and personality while still maintaining order. Avoid excessive decorative pieces or random accessories that serve no real purpose. In a clean, minimalist kitchen, beauty comes from simplicity, balance, and the quiet elegance of an organized space. Conclusion: creating a clean, clutter-free kitchen is not only about appearance. It shapes how you cook, move, and feel in the space every day. Through intentional decluttering, smart storage choices, clear organization zones, and consistent daily habits, your kitchen can remain tidy, calm, and truly enjoyable to use. When everything has its place and the design supports simplicity, the kitchen becomes more than just a working area. It becomes a comfortable, refreshing environment where order and ease naturally come together.